So we went to a place, there was pizza and fries there, and everyone was eating. And she said she was not hungry. I knew she was hungry and she was not eating because it's not a vegetarian place. So I just asked her to come to my place. I made her Maggie. It was the worst Maggie I have ever cooked. She is a irony. She's very sweet, very jovial, and very angry, and very arrogant. But I think like when all those things come together, it becomes Ashwini. So it depends on her mood. She can be very helpful to like a complete stranger, and she can completely put off somebody even if like they are very close to her. It just depends like how they are treating her, how they are treating her loved ones, and yeah, you don't know what you're gonna get with Ashwini.
The guy beside me said he's hitting on me. He denies it even today, but he'll take some time to warm up to you, but he has a very good heart.
She has taken care of me so well. Always got me stuff, always got my back. That's the most important thing. And I couldn't have asked for anything more.
He is the bubbliest and he talks a lot. And he's also the person who calms down me and my mom when we're fighting.
I keep scolding him. That is my love language. And he just bears me. I think that is his side.
I think he's very caring and sensitive. And because I'm the older sister, I always see him as like the baby. So we did not give him any chance to take care of anybody because we are the one taking care of him. But this is the first time that we are seeing him take care of somebody.
So I think I have grown a lot with her, and I have a lot of growing up to do more. And I think as long as we like fight for each other, no matter what challenges we face, I think we'll continue moving forward.
Vegetarian dharma should have a limit. Anything in excess is poisonous.
ತಂತು ನಾನೇನ ಮಮ ಜೀವನ ಹೇತುನ ಘಂಟೆ ಪತ್ರಾಣಿ ಶುಭಗೆ ತಂ ಜೀವ ಶರದಃ ಶತಂ परमिशन लीजिए
आपकी परमिशन? Ashwini, I love you, and I promise we're gonna do everything I told you together, like cooking food, eating everything together, and we're gonna have a lot of fun together.
understand each other pretty well. They have, they studied together, so they have that mutual understanding, and yeah, I think there's a good connection right there.
Congratulations. I wish you a very happy married life, and then we all will be here with you as your family and friend to support you, to love you, and to have a happy life together.
We need to look at a house. I mean, even if it's rent, we need to look at a house together. I don't know. We want to buy a car. We want to do a lot of stuff. There's a huge list, but I think the first thing is we need to look at a house because my lease is going to end in a few months. Yeah.